Shawty wanna make you mine. Shawty wanna make you mine. Oh yeah, yeah. Shawty wanna make you mine.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mia. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and click that notification bell right next to it. And once you do that, go ahead and put in the comments hashtag Mia Mafia so I know that you are a part of the gang. Okay, so yes, let's just go ahead and get right into this video. So today I thought it would be a good idea to use foam as like my main styler for my wash and go. I know people have done this. I really haven't watched nobody else's tutorial, but I know when I did my flexi rod set not too long ago, like I saw how my hair was like with just the mousse in it. I was like, okay, like this might be cute. This might be doing something. So I was like, let me try it out. So yeah, if you haven't seen that video, I will leave it up in the iCard right up here and also down below in the description box so y'all can check that out as well, because my hair was cute then too. But yeah, so let's just go ahead and get on into it. Okay, so my hair is freshly washed like always, and I did put my Mielle leave-in conditioner in, y'all. I did. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I put that in just so my hair wouldn't be completely dry when I got out the shower. But yeah, so I'm gonna go, ooh, I need some more water. But I'm gonna go ahead and spray some water on it. Yeah, I'm about to get my other one. I feel like this takes too long to get wet. But I forgot this one broke. Look, it's not even doing nothing. What is your issue? Why you just can't work? Not today? You don't wanna work today? Looks like I'm using this. Alright, so before I go in with the mousse, foam, whatever you want to call it, I am going to be using this Shea Moisture Strength and Restore leave-in conditioner. I only have like a little bit left, and I'm like, I just really want to like get rid of it and use it. And I like this leave-in conditioner because it's like real, it's not like thin. It's like, it's thick and it smells so freaking good. So I'm going to just put this on there just for some added moisture for my hair. Yes, I used to love this leave-in. I used to wear it out. Y'all can see it's already doing me some justice. Okay, I'm gonna split this. Alright, now I'm gonna take my dimming brush and brush this on out. Just so we won't have no tangles. We won't need none of those. Okay. I feel like this section kind of big. Alright, so the mousse that I am using, I'm not going to use the same one I used in the other tutorial. I am going to use the Shea Moisture one because I've had it for so long and I've never used it. So this is the Coconut and Hibiscus Frizz-Free Curl Mousse. So here we go. This is what it looks like. So I'm nervous because I don't know if it's going to act the same how the other one did. You know, not all products are the same, and this is a whole nother brand. So we're gonna see, but hopefully it does right. If not, then I'll pull out the other one and use that one. But okay, so I'm gonna take like, I don't know how many pumps. Like, I literally just forgot how many pumps that was that quick. I think it was like 3, maybe. I don't know, 4. Okay, and just rub that and see what it do. Okay, it's doing a little something. Might need to put some more. Let's see. I don't know what to think, y'all. I feel like it's gonna be poofy, to be honest. I really want to get the other one and see how that one works. But I already put some on this piece. Because it could be just, I swear, it like, my hair was so defined when I used that other foam. Like, I mean, it's fine, but I just feel like it's going to be poofy, you know? It don't look too bad. I think I'm going to get the other one to see if that makes a difference. I'm going to use it on this top section up here. See what that do. So let me separate this and just see if maybe, you know, I just need to use a different brand. Okay, so this is the one I used in my Flexi Rod video. So I'm gonna try to go in with this one and see if it look different. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna go in with like 3 pumps. Okay, that was 2. I can't count clearly. Let's see if that looks different. Yeah, see how it's clumping it together more with this one, for sure. That looks better. Like they clumping. Yeah, that looks good. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this one to that one. See what that do. Let's see. Take like 2 pumps. Yeah, I made it look better. I feel like I got a bunch of product in my hair now. All right, so I guess we're just gonna keep on doing this throughout, and let's pray it turns out right. Yeah, so bye-bye Shea Moisture. You can go on about your day. Can't believe I wasted my time. It's all right though. But I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday. Monday through Sunday, yo. Yo.
Pretty girl, Abigail, pretty girl, Bacon Bear, pretty girl, curly hair, she wavy, pretty girl, everywhere. I see pretty girls, all across the world. I see pretty girls, everywhere I go. I see pretty girls all across the world. I see pretty girls everywhere I go. Pretty girl, look like Kalima, classmate. Pretty girl, look like Jaina, Marie. Pretty girl, look like Alicia. Pretty girl, look like Radia, damn. Pretty girl, look like Martha, F work. Pretty girl, look like Deja Stewart. Pretty girl, look like Janelle Williams. Pretty girl, look like Michelle. I see pretty girls all across the world. I see pretty girls everywhere I go. I see pretty girls all across the world. I see pretty girls everywhere I go. Pretty girl, Rihanna. Pretty girl, Salama. Pretty girl, Sienna. Pretty girl, Tiana. Pretty girl, Manaya. Pretty girl, Nadia. Pretty girl, Liquid. Pretty girl. Pretty girl, Abigail, pretty girl, Bacon Bear.
All right, y'all, so I got all of the product in my hair. It's looking pretty defined, so you know, we just gotta wait to see how it dries. I am gonna diffuse it. I don't know if I should just like let it air dry for like a few hours and then diffuse it, because I'm scared. Like, what if it don't come out right? But I don't know, we'll see. But I I am going to link down below my diffusing routine if you do want to see that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'm gonna come back to show y'all the results. So stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so here I am back with my hair dry, and y'all, I love it. I love it so much. It's nice and fluffy. Like, it's great. It's defined. I love it. This might be my new go-to for real. Like, oh, this is cute. I haven't picked it out or nothing. This looks so good. Like, okay, I think I'm about to put some oil in it. I'm just finna go in with this My L one just because it's sitting right here. But yes, this looks so nice. Edges laid. Y'all see them? I know y'all see them edges. Y'all see them? I know you see them. But yes, I feel like this is really good. And I feel like it really didn't take that long to dry. Like, I was watching the show, so I really don't know how long it took. But when I was diffusing it, it seemed like it was drying pretty quick. I was like, okay. Okay. But yes, y'all see the definition? It's really not frizzy like that. Like, it looks really good. Like, cute. Yes, I definitely recommend y'all trying if y'all have not already. Just get y'all a good little moisturizer, get you some foam. I think it does matter because y'all saw that Shea Moisture really wasn't doing what I needed it to do. So, you know, the Aunt Jackie one, I feel like that one is a good one. But, you know, I might try out some more just so I can, you know, see what else works. But for the most part, I like it. I like it. Yeah, it's like my hair really don't even need to be picked out. This is cute. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments because I like it. Yeah, you guys, so I guess that's all for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead and leave some comments down below so I know that you like the videos that I'm putting out. And go ahead and give this video a thumbs up as well. And if you're not subscribed and you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And once you do that, no. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. And once you do that, go ahead and put in the comments, #MiaMafia, so I know that you're a part of the gang. And yes, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.